Page 42, thumbs on C. At the top of the page, they're talking about a middle C position. This is a new position. So far in the book, we've had C position, where the bottom note was C. We've had G position, where the bottom note was G. Now we get middle C position. And that is where the thumb and both hands are sharing middle C. And that's really all it is. It causes a bit of a problem, because the keys are not wide enough for two fingers to have it at the same time, and you don't use two fingers at a time to play a note. Just don't. I know there's some specialty times where, for various showy reason or whatever, they might want to use two fingers. Forget it. Just one finger at a time. So the C's have to share it. It's a timeshare thing. And then the other fingers handle all the other notes. And that's middle C position. Thumbs on C, we're in this position. So the first line, it's left hand's playing it. You're here. And the second line, the right hand's playing it. Well, that's just a regular C position for the right hand. I've had that before. So that's what it is. Other than that, I don't have a lot to point out here. You've had everything else. It's 4/4 time, medium loud for both hands. See, they don't need medium loud on both lines. If it's medium loud to begin, you're going to stay medium loud until it tells you something different. So that's unnecessary, but okay, it's nice they did that. Moderately slow, you'll decide what that is. It is repeated, so we're going to play it twice. I don't see anything really difficult about this. Now this helps to point out a good example of why middle C is middle C. It's middle C because it's the middle of the staff. And if you look up above, you see where middle C, they're showing it is one ledger line above the bottom, the bass clef. It's one ledger line below the treble clef, and it happens to be the ledger line that links the two clefs together. Middle C's in the middle of it. That's it. And that's why middle C is handy like that. Let's try this thumbs on C out slowly to double check the notes. This gives us a chance too to go back and think about technique. Drop the wrist with each line, with each note, and use the weight to help push the notes down. And you're just transferring weight from finger to finger. It's like a spokes on a wheel moving. It's just here. Transfer to here, to here, to here, to here. However you got to. You can transfer weight from any finger to any finger. It doesn't matter. And that's how we do this. So you can think about that as you're doing it. And a little, not a big, you don't need that. Just a little one will do fine. Just make sure you're not stiff. The wrist doesn't remain stiff. Don't do that. I'll give us 4 counts. So let's play this through. So go ahead and put your hands in middle C position. We'll try it out. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4.